So, welcome to week 11. Last week we covered contract administration and we learned about independent contractors. And this week we're moving on to two of the most important tools we have in labor relations. So, this week we're talking in depth about arbitration and mediation. Now, you're probably aware of these terms. We've talked about them a lot during this semester, so hopefully you're pretty familiar and understand the values and the disadvantages of both arbitration and mediation. In our discussion post this week, we're going to go in depth and talk about some of those advantages and the disadvantages, and we'll compare and contrast both arbitration and mediation. So one of the things that we want to think about is, when do we use arbitration? When do we use mediation? And what does that timeline look like? So to help you understand that timeline a little bit better, this week you'll do a satori covering arbitration and mediation and understanding when you would use one, when you would use the other, and really what that means. Sometimes we have both, just depending on factors related to the company and related to the union and, of course, any employees that are involved. So week 11 is pretty exciting. We also have a bit of a slow week this week, so kind of keep that in mind if you want to get started on any projects that are upcoming. We have a final paper that's going to be due in a few weeks, so this would be a great week for you to get started on some of those tasks and really take advantage of having a little bit less due in order to ensure that you're on track with your other work. So I look forward to us getting started to working on week 11. As always, if you have any questions or anything that you'd like me to help you out with, feel free to contact me either during office hours or by email. Always available to you to help, and let's go ahead and dig in.